Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're making this chocolate molten lava mud cake. Done in a mug. You can do this in 15 minutes. It's absolutely scrumptious delicious. Just have a look at this. You gotta try this. Look at the chocolate in the middle here. So let me walk you through this and let's get started. So let's start with our dry ingredients. And what I have here is 4 tablespoons or 30 grams of all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons of cocoa, or about 12 grams. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this into the cup. And this is unsweetened cocoa. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, just to give it that rise. 2 tablespoons of sugar, just for that sweetness. Now you can adjust this accordingly if you want to add more or less, it's up to you. You can even use brown sugar too if you want. Now I'm just going to mix this up until everything is well combined. And how easy is this? You don't even have to use a mixing bowl. Everything is directly done in the mug. Alright, now our wet ingredients. So I'm going to crack in an egg. Let's get cracking here. Keep in mind, 1 egg is for 1 serving. You know, if you want to double it, just double everything. Next is 4 tablespoons of milk. And this is just 2%, but you can use whatever milk you have on hand. Lastly, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Next, grab up my fork and give it a mix until everything is nicely combined. By the way, what is never on time? Chocolate! And I should mention while mixing that this recipe was popularized in New York City in the early 1900s. New York, New York. Now it's smooth and silky. I'm going to add in a tablespoon of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Now you can use your favorite chocolate. I just like these. You know, you can even grind up some chocolate. I should mention too that the more chocolate chips you put on top, the more lava you're going to get. Now what I'm going to do is put this in the microwave for about, I'd say 1 minute and 15 seconds. Now you have to realize microwaves vary, so it's, just keep an eye on it. After 1 minute and 15 seconds, it looks and smells incredibly delicious. And just for decoration purposes and a bit more flavor, I'm going to add some berries, a couple of mint leaves. And there you have it, guys, our molten lava mug cake. Simply incredibly delicious. So let's give this a taste test. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, absolutely delicious, and who's going to think it was pulled together in a mug? For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes and desserts over there. Thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.